Hello, welcome everybody back to my channel. Today we have a snowstorm in my area, so let's see if we can build a snowman. Step number 1, wait for the right type of snow and find a flat spot. So snow it should be not too dry or too frozen. In other words, you want snow that easy packable. If it's too fluffy, it will fall apart. And you see that this snow is the wet snow, and it's not too dry and it's not frozen. We need to have about 2 or more inches of snow on the ground to have enough to build a snowman. Find a shady spot on your lawn is ideal to build a snowman. I think we have enough snow on the ground right now. Let's start it with the first part, the bottom one. Now it's time to rake the middle section. This should be smaller than the bottom section, but still bigger than the head section. Now let's roll the smaller section for the head. Last step, gather materials and decorate your snowman. Traditional, you would have the snowman that has a raw carrot for the nose, buttons for the eyes, stick for arms, the hat, the scarf, and everything that you can find in your garage that's not valuable, so you can decorate it. In summary, you need to have at least 2 inches of wet snow on the ground to build a snowman. And you need to have the materials to decorate your snowman. Stop gathering them now and put into the garage and wait until you have wet snow and have fun with your kids. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.